guys, it's a landslide here after a heavy rain. We're going down, and there's the city. Yun ang city. We are far away from the city. That is why you can see the city here. We are on the top of the mountains. I zoom it so that you can see that. Maybe 100 meter down below. This is the original. There is the city. We zoom it so that you can see the city. Okay, we are here in the mountains.